was a new engine on the railway. His name was Scarloy and he is very old. Because he is old, he is very tired all the time and he can't put on his brakes properly. Well, anyway, one day he was taking some replacement parts to the engine works. And when he arrived, a workman said,
"Hey you, get those trucks over there and bring them to Fletcher Station."
So he did. He got coupled up and he puffed away. But he accidentally got switched onto the wrong line. It was a very old and abandoned line. The track was rusty and bumpy and it was also overgrown. Scarlow was shocked.
"Who are you?"
He asked.
"Well, I am Rusty. I got abandoned here for 5 years.
"Oh, really?"
Yeah, it's very lonely here.
"Well, what kind of line is this?"
This is a line that goes up to a power fueling plant.
"And the railway could use something like that? I will tell the controller and he will restore you." "Now let's go restore you, Rusty."
Well, now Rusty is happier than ever before and works the short line to the power fueling plant.